Good morning or afternoon or whatever time you're watching this. It's light out. I'm just doing an unboxing bagging Walmart special. So it is sold and shipped by Nightlife through Walmart. I ordered on 10/17. Got to me on 10/26 from California. Why it takes so long? It is called the Blue Tree. It's a 25 by 25 full drill. I paid $2.32 with the Walmart saving catcher. The saving catcher, basically, they're doing it different now. You have to download an app on your phone and pay through the app. And it will automatically see who else in the area has the same item for a cheaper price. And when that happens, they give you the difference. So I had almost $5. And this little squishy flat mess, I'm scared, I only paid $2.32. It was almost $8 around there. Right now this is on clearance at Walmart online for $6 and some change. But I was on New Frog yesterday because I did order some new diamond paintings through New Frog. And it's cheaper on New Frog. It's called the Blue Tree. So let's get into opening this bad boy. Oh, it's a clear cover. My sister did ship me some other ones, new ones, that I have to start doing also. 2 owls and a little chickmunk. The little chickmunk I actually gave to one of the ladies at my church. She came to watch my daughter one day for me. And she saw diamond painting for the first time and she was like, oh, I want to try it. So I gave her a little chickmunk. Let her try it, see how she likes it. All right, let's check this out. It is a round. This will be my second round ever that I will be doing. The ones my sister gave me, the 2 owls, you see them a lot on YouTube. I don't know if they're round or square, but I think those are also round, so maybe this isn't my second round. But this canvas is pretty nice, even though it was folded like a piece of paper. Don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want the glare and all that goodness. I'm gonna take the cover off. Maybe see it better without the cover. I was trying not to be in my shots, but I haven't figured out a different way to do this yet. And my daughter's playing in the playroom on the floor with all her little toys. And me and my husband call that the militia crew because she likes little teeny tiny little figures from like the dollar store. And since she loves those little figures, there's a piece of garbage in there. Let me stop. No tweezers, of course, because it's around. So she loves those little figures. We call those her militia crew. She used to leave them in the living room all over the place. You couldn't put nothing on the table. Same thing at the kitchen table, but now she puts stickers on the kitchen table, which is fine as long as I don't find them all over the walls around the house. And it gives you the key. They're numbered and they have letters. Just noticed that. On both sides. Both sides. But I also ordered 4 or 5 from New Frog. And those will be coming in, I don't know when. And then I have 2 from AliExpress. No, 3. 2 or 3 from AliExpress coming in. One's for my daughter that I wanted to give to her early on. But she has not been following my rules. You know how they are when you're in the rebellious 13-year-old stage. It's like everything's a fight with them. Ooh, look at that pretty color. Oh, so gorgeous. Oh, that one's pretty too. I love the color green. But all the colors are here. 10 bags. So my daughter wanted a wolf. She loves wolves. And I told her that's fine. But she hasn't been listening. She hasn't done what I've been telling her to do with her room. You know, I only make her take care of herself. I don't make her take out the garbage. I don't make her do any extra chores, and she doesn't want to keep her room clean. So more likely she'll be getting that for Christmas instead of early on. But the ones I ordered from New Frog, one I'm going to give to, I'm making all this noise. One I'm going to give to the lady from church. It's a purple flower with butterfly. I think everyone's seen that one. The black background. Not good with words. I'm going to give that to her as a surprise gift. And then I ordered one with the cross. Margie Franklin also did on one of her videos. It's a partial. And you just do the cross and then the middle with the flowers and the butterflies. I'm going to do that one. And I'm going to give that to my pastor's wife. Maybe for Christmas. And then the other ones are ones I'm just going to do if I get bored. Smaller ones. And I'll probably give some of them to my daughter also. Because she says she wants to do one for a friend also. Or just do one in general. And give for a gift. So I might let her do the one for the pastor's wife, and then we could frame it together. I still have to do a framing, which I'm going to try to do this week. And then I want to do the snowman and the snow one on a piece of cardboard, and I want to show you how that came out and where I'm going to stick it in the window. I don't think you guys want to see me glue it to cardboard. But I do want to do the framing, the black horse for my friend Heidi. She loves horses. I miss helping her with her horses in Connecticut. When I left the supply house, I remember telling you guys I worked at the supply house for 15 years. When I left, one of the electricians that I know, his father passed away. And I knew his father because he was an electrician. And so at his funeral, I told him if he ever needed help with anything to let me know. And like a week later, he told me we need help with our books and our paperwork because none of us like doing paperwork. And we're not very organized. Him and his brother. So I said, why not? So when I started doing that, I started cleaning up his little teeny apartment he also has on the property because he stays with his mom to help his mom out also. And his sister has 2 horses at the time. So I used to help her with the horses. I didn't mind cleaning up after the horses. I got a chance to pet them and spoil them a little bit. So that was fun. But yeah, that was it for my little unboxing from Walmart. I still don't understand why something from California took as many days as it did. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Instead of 30 by 30, but I mean 25 by 25. I'm sorry. I keep thinking it's a 30 by 30. But yeah, nice and clear. This is probably one of the clearest canvases I had besides my Huracan. And I'm still working on that 80 by 60. I'm not even halfway done with it yet. I've been trying to work on it all weekend. Today's Monday. And I just came home from the gym, so I just wanted to hurry up and show you guys that before I did my house cleaning and got a little tired. But, yep. I think these might have DMC codes on them. Because it gives you the numbers and it gives you some other number right after that, like 959. 3821, 3863, 3864. So it looks like the DMC code is on the bag. Not sure if you can see that. I'm trying to get it to focus. Oh, did it focus? I don't know. But it's right next to the little number right here. Little DMC code. So, yeah, that was it. A little longer than I expected because I was blabbing. Hey, I got no one else to talk to but the camera. So, have a good day. Enjoy yourself. It's been cold, rainy here, but can't complain. Have a good one. Bye.